All right, special thanks to the company for sending this to me. They sent this to me so I could do you guys an unboxing video and show you everything that comes inside of this outdoor light fixture's wall mount. Now you can see here at the bottom, very clear, bulb not included, so you'll have to have your own bulb. The model is the STR-WL001, and this is essentially what it looks like. The side has your specs, let you know what it's good for, IP65 waterproof. Max is 60 watt bulb in it. Input's 110, 120 volts. It's matte black and it's made of aluminum. That's just another photo. That's just another photo. Again, special thanks to them for sending this out to me. Now I guess let's unbox this. I'm gonna pull the top off. So the first thing we're greeted with is our instruction guide telling us how to install this with some very nice diagrams. So that's always good. Then we'll take this and turn it on its side. We should be able to get so take that off, and we are greeted with a very nice metal enclosure. Nothing else in that. So back here's everything you'll need to mount this with. Take it out of this bag. So you've got all of your cables neatly tied up here, and they actually have your screws tied in here as well. And these are your mounting brackets to mount it. So everything you need is right there, nice and neat. Now that's the back of the device. This device would of course be hung this way. So if you were looking at it dead on, this is kind of the front view. This would be like a right side view. This would be like a left side view. And there's nothing here, so you're able to just screw your bulb right in, but the rest of this is protected with some nice glass. So that is really essentially it. That's what this would look like. A very sleek, matte black outdoor light fixture. So this is about what it looked like. Hopefully you guys have liked the unboxing. Again, a special thanks to the company for sending this to me to show you guys, and we'll see you in the next one. Deuces.